inside the cage because we want to play, make noise, run around. It's just so fun.
But how? How are we going to get out of the cage?
We teleported. How do we teleport here?
I don't know. Are you eating something?
No, we need to make a plan right now.
What plan?
Shh. Whisper.
What?
She's watching us.
Who? Uh-oh.
She's watching us.
Why that, Sky? We're not gonna eat food. We always eat food. Are you crazy?
Bye.
How'd you get away from her?
Hey, she's listening to our plans. Come on, we need to make a new plan now.
Stop. Just stop, Sky. Just relax.
Okay, fine. Push. Go away.
Sky, what are you doing? Should I come or not? I don't know.
What's that?
What's what?
Do you see that pink thing over there?
What pink thing?
Oh, look at it.
What? Wait, what? Hey!
I need it. It's so fun to play with.
But, hey!
Stop it.
Where did the pink thing go, huh?
Should I listen? Hello, Sky.
Hello.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What is that? Hey!
Is this fake? Whatever, let's just eat it. Nom, 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 nom.
We eat
The
everything.
middle of the day is the best part. We get to always stay outside of our cage.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so fun.
Wait. Hey! Hey!
You have to follow it. Get it.
I got it.
Hey! Why'd you always get it from me? Got it.
What? Hey! Sky's gonna trip her. She doesn't know.
Hey! Hey, why'd you do that? Well, at least this is so fun over here, right?
Ooh. Whoa! What's this place?
Look at this.
Wait.
We can just run and play.
I
like
remember
you
this
said.
place. This is the floors of fields, right?
Yeah, we can play here. Let's go. I'm on the floor again. Why do I keep on falling?
You're on the floor again.
Yes, I'm up.
Food, yummy.
Is it good to eat chairs?
These aren't chairs. Nom nom. Yummy, yummy, yum.
What do you find? Is that a wire?
Of course. No, I don't know. It's this ring.
Whoa. I flipped on that.
What? You didn't flip. You're lying. Let's just go down. It's so nice. Sky, where did you come from?
Well, it's fun sitting in the stairs, like
Sky's
on the top
gone.
and looking down.
Now Sky's gone. I'm just going to go this way.
Is it safe to sit up here watching down the stairs and people running there?
Wait, where did you come from? Did you teleport?
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
Stop
Sky.
making weird noises. It's fun watching here.
Yeah.
You guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and share our videos. Don't forget.
Yeah, don't forget.
Is it safe to stay up here?
Of course it is. You don't forget or else. Wait, it's not the end of the video. What are you doing,
Just
Sky?
reminding them.
Let's go on this bed.
It's high up here in the bunker bed. Space over here. Look, there's wires. Look
These
at the
are wires for the last time.
I'm tired
Thanks
now.
for watching. Make sure to leave, like, and share. What do I say even?
Bye.